So now is time for the last part of the system, which is Upwork. Upwork is going to be your secret to actually scaling your business. If you don't have people to warm DM, if you don't have cold emails, if you don't want to do or you're not confident in, or you don't have the ability to whatever, get into content or do paid ads, Upwork is going to be your secret savior. And so what you need for Upwork, it's very simple. You build out your proposal so professional that you have templates after templates of work you've done, examples of the work you've done, and you're going to want to share with others how you actually put that proposal together or what you've actually done in that proposal. And so I'm going to quickly share with you what I've done for one of our proposals. And so this is a quick brief to one of my proposals here. And basically my niche is to target people who need social media services and need help growing their business on e-commerce. And so I share with them all of our proven strategies to build out their social media and actually what the stages are going to be like, why we're different, and the time horizon to it. And so I think the number one most important thing is you're going to want to have a proposal that encompasses what you do, why you're different, how long it's going to take to optimize, when that person or that company is going to get a return on their initial investment in you, and what to expect from you. And so that's going to be your resume, it's going to be your past experiences, but more than ever, it's going to be a detailed extrapolation of the job that you do and the jobs that you've done in the past for people. And so building that out initially is going to be your secret savior to scaling your business. Because once you have a few loyal customers on Upwork and clientele that gives you a 4 to 5, like I think the star rating is 4. If you have a 4-star rating, more than 3 jobs, and you make upwards of $1,000, and that's your total revenue on Upwork, and you have like above a couple hundred connects, which doesn't cost that much. I believe it only costs around $40. Then you're able to back select the right jobs for you, qualify those jobs under your own discernment, and then send 2 jobs with a custom written description and add your proposals, what you've done in the past. Only go for the jobs that you're really wanting to focus on, and that you can service the best, because your rating really matters. If you can send that a clear Loom video like this of who you are, what your past experiences are, your proposal, a short cover letter, you invest in the right connections that will allow you to apply for these jobs, this will be your number one way to actually initially get reputation and build your client list. And then you can go out and fund the Facebook ads. You can fund the content. You can fund the cold email. So right now, like I have a bunch of different contracts open on Upwork. That's not even my main focus. And so if you've seen in the past, I've said that I've done e-commerce, I've done my agency and my services, I've done marketing management consulting for $20 million a year agencies. Upwork has been my saving grace because it allows you to work wherever you want. And once you have that reputation, you're gold. And so I know that I meandered around the basic strategy here, but to encapsulate it before the end of this video, Facebook ads, if you hire a VA to do it, you're going to be able to scale it and get over $10,000 in revenue a month from it. If you do that with content, you'd have to give it the most amount of your work. Cold email is the same. Warm DM is the same as cold DM. But the more time you put into it, the copywriting and the value that you add, the more revenue you get. And I'd say if you assign a VA to each and every one of these, or an editor to your content to help you boost all of these systems, each and every one of these in full flow should actually produce 10,000 or more in monthly recurring revenue per month. Right now, I see around 2,000 from each system, but let's see. By next year, I plan to have 2 times to 3 times more than that, and I would be happy with sharing with you my journey and scaling that up. And so, if you guys made it through this video, I appreciate you watching the system, but I also would like you guys to try the system for yourself, poke holes in it, see what you can add. And if you're a beginner agency or a beginner service level um, contractor looking for clients, give me a DM. I'm always willing to hire new people on. I'm looking to connect with people who are in the space, trying to build their marketing reputation. So, if you guys have made it to watching this video and you're looking for more details on actually scaling and building your agency or your services, I will put together a entire free guide and free video on how I do this step by step. And you guys can access that simply by commenting in this video below. I'm happy to talk to you guys one-on-one and walk you through how to build out these systems for your specific services or business/brand. And so, yeah, if you're curious to how I would build it out, I'm happy to talk to you about this for free and to showcase my newborn son who's in the background make sounds. And so, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.